Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make Yamarita. Without any further ado, let's get started. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, I will be using yam. I will also be using sweet potatoes. I will start by slicing the yam. Slice the yam into the same equal size, and the yam doesn't need to be too flat. I will save that piece and peel the sliced yam. And the yam is nicely washed already. I always wash yam before I start cutting it because yam contains sand. Take out any brown parts and slice the yam into yam finger. I'm using a different knife. You can use any knife of your choice to slice the yam into fingers like so. And I'll repeat the process until everything is done. Once that is done, I transfer the cut yam inside water to prevent them from turning brown, and we'll put that aside. Next, I'll peel the sweet potatoes, and I'm using a potato peeler. The potatoes are washed as well. One of my kids does not like yam. I use the sweet potatoes to make his own, and he loves the sweet potato ones. He calls it Yamarita. I cut them differently so we can identify them when they are ready. And I'll transfer the potato fingers inside the water to prevent them from turning brown as well. Next, I have some water boiling on the stove. I will add salt and I'll give that a stir. I will add rosemary for flavor, and this is optional. Add the yam fingers, and I'll add the potato fingers, and I'll give that a stir. And I will cover and cook until they are about 80 to 90% done. The yams is be cooking now. I will check if they are about ready, and at this point this yam is 90% cooked. We'll separate them from the hot water. And I transfer them inside a tray. Allow them to cool down a bit before working with it. Next ingredients, we'll be using some eggs, flour, and I'll be using these seasonings right here. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Oil for deep frying, you can use any oil of your choice. I will add a teaspoon of baking powder to the flour, and I will add all of the seasoning which I just showed and give that a quick mix. The baking powder is going to make the yam to come out very crispy. In another bowl, I will crack in 4 eggs. The amount of eggs you use depends on the quantity of yam you are making. And I will season with salt. You can also add any other seasoning of your choice. For me, I use just salt. It's time to coat the yams and the sweet potatoes. and I'll coat it in the flour like so and put that aside. I will repeat the process until everything is done. So I will shake out any excess flour from the yam and the potato finger. Here I have everything nicely coated in the flour. Next, in a pan, I'll add some oil to deep fry the yams. And I'll put the flour aside. I will coat the yam and the sweet potatoes in the egg. You can also season the eggs with the same season we use for the flour. I just want to keep it very simple. Yamarita is a very delicious dish, and this is one of the dish we prepare in the northern part of Nigeria where I grew up. And I will repeat this process until everything is done. At this point, you want to make sure the oil is already hot. I will check the oil temperature with a skewer, and at this point, this oil is hot. And I will add the yams and the sweet potatoes and fry them on medium heat. So the yam is almost done. It doesn't take time to fry. Just fry them on a medium heat so it doesn't get burnt. And this might take between 5 to 6 minutes. So once everything is in there, I will just give it a nice stir so they can fry evenly without any getting burnt. So once they are about golden brown, they are ready. I will take them out of the hot oil. And I'll clean the oil before adding the next batch. I will add the next batch and fry them on medium heat until they are ready. If you like this video, please like the video, share the video, and follow me if you are not already. I truly do appreciate every one of you. Once they are ready, I will take them out of the hot oil. Yamarita can be enjoyed any time of the day. They are super delicious. And food is ready. I will open it so you can see what it looks like inside it. It's very crispy and super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.